Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm gonna show you another prank. So, this is the sneeze prank. You're gonna either spray with this, put some water in it. You could put some green Kool-Aid in it too, to make it look like it's snot or boogers or stuff like that. But this is how you do it. So, I have this big one. I really wanted a small one, but they didn't have any, so I used this big one. I wanted a small one because then I have a jacket. I put it in here, then I just shoot like that. But I got a big one, so I'm gonna do this at home or sometimes to my friends, or probably often. But this is how you do it. What are you gonna say, like a chew or react, something like that, like this? You are going when you go on the chew part. You're going to spray this at somebody, like this. They'll be like, ugh. That'll be an epic prank. I'm doing to you guys. Oh, this screen is all blurry. Oh, I got it now. The screen is all blurry. Cool. I know it was blurred. That was cool. It's blurry again. I can't see. That's better. So, thank you guys for watching the video, and see you guys later, like usual.